On this day, day 4 of 64 days of ways to nonviolence, to peace through Michael Chekhov's technique, I am speaking about the technique, the process, the art of caring. Caring is our theme for today. Yes, today is Monday, it's Moon Day. The gesture is I, and the color is violet. And when I think about caring, the first person I need to care for is for me. And what parts of you do you need to care for? Number one, our bodies. Well, it's easy as you get older to give some priority to caring for our body. But if you can care now at every step of your life about your physical body, it is the primary vehicle for you to build a field of peace in the world. It is through the movement and life inside your body which allows you to manifest the light of love, the light of peace. And when you care for this physical aspect of you, if you care about what you eat and how you exercise it and how you train it and how you care for it, it allows you to be at inner peace. And there are many, many ways of caring. And we've spoken about how love and appreciation, how courage for yourself, all of these are ways to care. I want to speak today about something special, which is unique to February 2nd. And that is the fact that we are at the cross quarter. We're 40 days after Christmas. We're coming toward that midsection of between Christmas and Easter, and the winter solstice and the spring equinox. And we are looking at the many, many festivals that are held and have been held throughout millennia around this time when the earth starts to turn more. It's Groundhog's Day. This is also part of that. We also think of it as Candlemas. These are some candles that I drew for our Candlemas festival. And Candlemas is a long-held festival that has been to celebrate how the candle brings light into our life. And in some traditions, well, by this time, people's candles may be running out, and it's a good time to make candles. This is a candle that I made. I'm going to light it to bring the light here. When I make a candle, it's a way of caring for myself. I have these candles all year that I make on this day, and it allows me to connect with the rhythms of the year. So rhythm is something that is throughout nature and all within our body. The rhythm of the heart, the rhythm of the breath, the rhythm of our thoughts, the rhythm of our walk, the rhythm of actions of sleeping, of waking, of eating, of eliminating. All these rhythms are, for each person, have an ideal rhythm. And one of my dearest friends and my greatest mentor for sure, Mala Powers, who was the executrix of Michael Chekhov's estate, she wrote this amazing book called Follow the Year. And this book outlines festivals that happen. So I will just show you a little, it's beautifully illustrated by Frances Elizabeth Livens. And all the year has festivals. And the idea that we can celebrate festivals gives us a kind of pathway to engaging in the rhythm of the year. And so we're talking up here about the tempo and the rhythm that Mr. Chekhov uses. And rhythm creates a feeling of connectedness. And when we take care to bring a feeling of the rhythm of the year into our livelihood and to our daily experience and on an annual process, we are revitalizing the forces that connect us to everything that is. And I love this today. Here is Mala's little talk, and just very quickly, she speaks about Candlemas. Is also the day that, I think this is in the Luke Bible, that the baby Jesus was presented at the temple. And it was known as, this day was known as the Festival of the Presentation of Christ in the temple. And it's also the day when the Mary went through her Jewish purification process that happened 40 days after a male child was born. And of course, you know, this rhythm of 40 days is very, very special. And this, there are rituals in many, many traditions of many, many different mythologies and spiritual traditions about this particular time of the year. And so I want to mention that to take care of you is can be supported by your willingness to understand the rhythms of the year and how life is aligning with it, and how at this particular time bringing the greater sense of life and greater sense of light into you so you can take care to shine your light into the world. Taking care. What can you do today to take care of you? What can you do to help take care of your thinking processes? How are they doing? Can you take care to tend to your emotional life? What about your will force, your activities? Is there something you can literally do to help take care of you that will enable you then to bring a caring attitude to others in your world? Can you open a door for somebody? Can you, again, smile? Do you have the courage to look someone in the eyes and greet them and wish them goodwill? Maybe you phone somebody that you have wanted to speak to, and instead of texting, you actually let your voice travel to them, or even write a handwritten note. How can you take care of you today? How can you take care of others today? When we take care, we are paving a path to nonviolence. And it does take courage to give yourself the respect of caregiving yourself. This is especially important for those of us who are very busy taking care of other people. Do something nice for yourself. Valentine's is coming. Today, take care to give yourself a little Valentine there. Caring as a path to nonviolence is part of the qualities that Michael Chekhov brings. It also can be brought into the atmosphere. You can bring an atmosphere of caring into a space. You can also understand that you have a gesture of caring, which could be giving to yourself. It can be giving to another. It can be an embrace. How can you express caring in your world? Are you willing to care?